Welcome to the Engraved Dominoes Domino Designer tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to go through the basics of creating your domino and putting your name on your domino. As you can see here, we are starting from our home page, which is EngravedDominoes.com. I'm going to start out by personalizing a set of double six dominoes. So I'm going to select double six dominoes from the categories. Right there. And then I'm going to select the dominoes with spinners. The difference between these three sets of double six dominoes, or three types of double six dominoes, this one here has spinners. The second one over does not have spinners. Spinners are simply this little brass dot in the middle. So let us select the ones with the spinners. When you get to the page that has the spinners, what you will see is a large picture of the domino, the place where you customize your domino, and then if you scroll down a little bit, you will see domino color options. And what you may notice is there is no add to cart. We wait to display the add to cart button until after you have personalized your dominoes. So if you're looking for the add to cart, all you have to do is personalize your dominoes. What I suggest you do is first select the domino and then personalize it. If you go the other way around, you may have to repersonalize your domino. And you don't want to have to redo anything. So let's start with picking your domino. From the domino colors, we have white, black, red, blue, off-white, yellow, a two-tone black and white, a two-tone red and white, a two-tone blue and white, and even a green. So for this demo, I'm going to choose a red. As you can see, the picture changes to red, and this text to your own also changes. So to change your text to your own text is as simple as highlighting it. Now you can double click it or triple click it in this case to highlight the whole thing and then start typing over it. Or if you're not really into the multi-mouse clicks, maybe you're on a tablet and that's just not working for you, anytime the text is highlighted, we can hit this edit text button. And that will bring up a window, in which case you can change it to any fun thing you